Hello, what's up, my friend? How are you, everybody? So today I'm gonna show you how to make a Google Meet call in free. So at first you can go the Google Chrome, Google browser, or anywhere. I'm just going to Google Chrome and search on the Gmail box. You can Gmail box. You can search on the Gmail box and and I will show you how easy to make a video call unlimited. So it's free. You see there in the right side nine dot a sign. We should You have to click there and you can see there is a lot of option. The number one option, your account, search, business, maps, Google, Gemini, it's a Google Bard. It's a AI. You can create any kind of things here. And as well you can see the Google Meet, Google Chat, Drive, Google Translate, photo, shopping, play, everything. There is also contact. Because I'm going to here Google Meet, you can see there, and after that you can see the three option, code or link and new meeting. You can create new meeting here, and there is a schedule. You can see the create a meeting for later, and also start an instant meeting. So if you want to instant of meeting, you can press here and you will see the meeting instead of instant meeting started here, and you can send your link here. You see, this is the this is your link. You can press here, copy link, and you can share your friends or mail, whatever. You can share your mail and they can join. So this is the unlimited and free meeting by Google Meet. So thank you very much, everybody. Hope you guys it will be helpful for you.